So let's go into work now. So we're talking about social media outside of work, and your book, Deep Work, just this deep state of productivity. I would kind of compare it to the flow state, right? Like this elusive state of effortless effort. You're just in the zone. Now it's easier for athletes to be able to put a finger on, hey, this is when I was feeling flow state. I can describe it, but not so easy for the man or woman who is in the office and working. And do you think there's a way to tap into this deep work in an actionable way for people to get more into the flow state, deep work, if they're not an athlete, if they're just a everyday person going to work?
Well, for almost every knowledge work job, it's critical. So not only is there a way to get into a deep work state, but if you're not getting to a deep work state, you are functioning at a fraction of your potential for producing stuff of value and for therefore opening up more options for you in your own career. There's an interesting distinction, though, between a deep work state and a flow state. Uh, a flow state is a possible deep work state. There are other deep work states that don't necessarily feel like flow, but what they share, what deep work shares from other states, is the absence of distraction. So it's the feeling of I'm working on this thing that's hard, and it's the only thing I'm paying attention to. Now, sometimes this can put you into a flow state, right? Sometimes it doesn't. And I knew Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, but before he died, and I knew Anders Ericsson before he died, and they had this interesting back and forth on this. Like Anders Ericsson said, okay, here's a state that's not a flow state. You're trying to learn something hard. Now, this requires deep work. You have to give it your full undistracted attention. But when you're learning something new, it's the opposite of feeling timeless. It's actually, every minute that's passing because it's really, really hard, right? So like the athlete that's in a game will often fall into a flow state because they are executing these hard-won skills. They lose track of time. It's just they're lost in what they're doing. But that same athlete that's trying to master like a new form for a jump shot, they have to think incredibly closely about every part of their body in motion, and that's not quite right. And why is this not working? It's not a flow state. They're in a deliberate practice state. It's actually kind of painful, but they're both deep work states. So the thing that defines deep work is I'm not switching my attention between multiple different things. Most knowledge workers have forgotten what that feels like. They are so used to being in a state of continuously fragmented attention, email back, Slack back, phone back, that when they try deep work, so they go, like I spend 2 hours and my computer's not here, my phone's not here, it feels incredibly foreign. It's like you just gave them some sort of psychedelic or something because we've become so alienated from what it feels like to actually focus.
Wow. And it's crazy, right? Like you feel weird if you don't have your phone with you. Like, I mean, you probably do it. You just look around in a Starbucks or on a bus or a train, and nobody is just having conversations with each other anymore. It's just what is happening in this world. And you hit on this point of the frequent interruptions, the fragmentations. I think it was a UC Irvine study. You probably know better than I do. It says like 23 minutes. Then if you get distracted and you switch out of, task switching back and forth before you can get back into this, deep work or flow type of state. Do you think there is a way for people to actually successfully be able to multitask? Or is that just something we should say, hey, like, let's focus on this first, then this, instead of trying to bounce back and forth between multiple different things?
Our brain can't do it. It just can't do it. It's like saying, I want to run a 7-second 100-meter. You just can't do it. Like the human legs can't actually do it. The human brain can't actually multitask. The problem is the way the human brain works is that there's a lot of different regions of the brain that have to come together if you're going to be doing anything that's cognitively difficult. So you have to inhibit unrelated semantic networks. You have to excite networks that are related. This takes time. After 10, 15, 20 minutes, now maybe you're fully locked in on the thing you're working, meaning that your brain is the parts focused on what you're doing are activated, the other parts are not. If you glance at something else, you mess up this whole configuration. If I glance at my inbox, I see like highly salient, urgent obligations where other people need me to do things. And immediately our brain begins trying to activate those relevant regions and turn off other regions. And then when you turn your attention back to what you were working on, now you're scrambled. And it's going to take another 10 or 15 minutes to get that all unscrambled again. So if you're checking your inbox once every 6 minutes, which is the average in the sort of best data set I can find on this, you are nowhere near, you're never getting anywhere near being able to get full attention to something. You are constantly in this state of scrambling where your brain is switched between 3 or 4 different contexts. Now we get used to this and we think this is just what it feels like to be working. But when you try something different and you don't look at an inbox and you don't look at social media, you just focus for an hour or two at a time, it feels so different that it's almost like a superpower. In fact, like The Economist actually said this about deep work, is that working without distraction is like a superpower in the 21st century economy, not because you suddenly became much smarter, but everyone else around you is making themselves much dumber. So relatively speaking, you feel like you have the limitless pill from that Bradley Cooper movie. It just feels completely different.